sorry to get me to Blue's Kitchen, and look at my plate. It's like,
yeah, dream girl, you my queen, little shorty. Yeah. Oh, come close to me, dream girl. Oh, are your eyes still green, girl? Is it true that you rule my real world? They pay for this, but you just.
My hair is relaxed, so it's obviously gonna be thinner, and I feel like in my jeans we have thinner hair anyways, but I'm really impressed with the growth. I touched up this relaxer by myself, and I'm not gonna trim my hair this relaxer because I've literally been trimming my hair all the time. I'm just gonna wait until my next relaxer, which will probably be towards the end of the year. Give it just a little trim because I feel like my hair would have grown to like there, because my hair grows very quickly. So yeah, quick gem guys, if you are a YouTuber or you are a student, please get a hard drive or a USB and get an adapter, especially if you have a MacBook Pro, because with MacBook Pros, y'all already know, we do not have USB ports, so you actually need a Type-C with a USB thingy that will like go in. So I literally got this port for this, and I got it to like charge my phone if I need to and stuff, and charge other things that I can't charge. But yeah, I'm literally doing admin, and then I'm gonna edit the clips that I've filmed today, and then yeah, this is look how dry I am. Anyways, I've literally just what's it called, just gotten ready in that. My face is so dry. I have one client today, one more client today because I already had a client. So yeah, I'm literally just gonna do my skincare. Guys, my forehead is breaking out bad, and I don't know why. Like every time I get breakouts, I'm so tempted to want to go back on antibiotics. Let me stop my thing. But I'm thinking what toner to use. I think I'm gonna use the Pixie Glow tonic. It's just out of nowhere as well. Like for me, I feel like my forehead is already something that I'm conscious of, so for me to have like hella spots on there is just, yeah, no. So yeah, today tomorrow is supposed to be coming over, so hopefully her knee is okay so that she can come. Trying to have a nice wind down, you know, and type vibe. Part of me was thinking, did my skin break out because I used that cream, the TikTok cream that everyone's talking about, but I don't know. Top of the skincare with your SPF, and I've been using the Bondi Sands SPF, very high protection, so yeah, this better be protecting my skin. No worries, my lovely.
Oh, can I book an interview with you before I go?
Yeah, of course, of course. I'm vlogging. Do you want to say hi to the vlog? Hey. Let me stop this music before I get copyrighted. In fact, I don't even just turn this off. Okay, cool. What time? Are you looking on the thingy? On the...
No, I'm just looking at my calendar.
When would you want to come in?
About this time, 1:30, 2.
Okay, yeah, okay, cool. Okay, let's do 1:30 because I'm going out on the 11th, so I don't want to be like,
1:30.
yeah, too late and that. Yeah, go choose your appointment type. You are having a hybrid infill, and yeah, that is literally all done.
Perfect, thank you. I just didn't want to like go home and then go, can I have this day, can I have that day, can I have this time, can I have that time? Because I just don't really realise.
Literally. Everyone lovely. Enjoy your weekend.
And you, girl.
See ya. Bye. Guys, so that is me done. That's my appointments done for today. I'm literally just gonna go Walthamstow, go get a scarf, get a bottle of wine and some snacks. Today my girl is coming over, and then I need to get some stuff, extra stuff as well. But yeah,
They say about me. What you all say about me? Something's on your biscuit.
hey guys, so I've obviously come back home. So I have vanilla shortbread. Smells so good. Smells so good. This is gonna have to go in my corridor. This has to go in my corridor because this got, yeah, set the mood. Okay, I got the candle lighter because I did have one already, but I don't know where it's gone. And then let me show you guys the other candles that I got. Cozy Cotton, which obviously that's like a home smell as well. This smells so good. Oh my goodness. Like, gonna have salted caramel in my bedroom because I love salted caramel. I think I'll like put that on camera. Like, I'll show you guys how I do my ponytail. Even though the base of my ponytail was already done, I just need to do the actual curly bit. I'm actually walking to the nail shop. Actually, I would drive to the nail shop, but there's like loads of road closures because there's like a cycling thing going on. I've had to walk, and I haven't walked in ages because my thighs are even rubbing together and they're hurting.
Got off of work, sun is down, it's getting late at night. Say you need a break, girl, you know exactly what I'm about to say, but I won't say a thing, babe. Know just what you need, babe. Hit an instant replay. Yes, I had to get it twice. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner. I take off them denims, I take off this linen. I need all that missing, baby. When you call, I'm dipping. Pull up to your spot. I'm gon' get you high. We gon' start with that massage, working down your thighs. Baby, I'ma push up on you, feel the size. Show me how you feel inside. If that's mine, then tell me that's mine. Somebody must have shown you how to ride, 'cause you do it right. You not too wild with it, I take my time with it.
Hey guys. Not welcome back to my channel. Today is another day. What's the day today? 2nd of June. Not my girl video on me, yeah. It's 2nd of June. We're literally in Westfield. I'm with Tamara. And yeah, I went into Stradivarius, got some mum jeans. I'll show you guys that after. And then yeah, literally gonna look around. We came quite late, but a bitch was working, so you know she had to get that bag. So yeah, but anyways, that's literally me. Yeah, guys, I'm trying to tell her that her food is gonna take a bit longer because she got well done meat. She's trying to tell me.
We're in Westfield shopping centre, people, like.
Okay, but it still might take a little bit longer.
We're not in Mayfair. The food is, I'm telling you, the food is pre-cooked.
Okay.
And then they just like add it, like kind of cook it and eat.
Okay. I don't even know what the place is called. Oh, we're getting Morty and Bob's sandwich bar. I just got steak and chips because I love steak so much. And Tamara got a steak sandwich.
It's not so childish.
Got a steak sandwich. No, it's not.
I think that is.
It does not sound childish at all. But yeah. Anyways, when the food comes, I'll show you guys the food, and then
We didn't get this one.
yeah. Oh yeah.
Show me how you feel inside. If that's mine, then tell me that's mine. Somebody must have shown you how to ride, 'cause you do it right.
Hey guys, so I'm back home. Let me show you guys what I got from Stradivarius. I got some mum jeans. I basically got the same pair that I have on right now. These have some rips in them. These are so cute. I just got these ones, a darker wash, so I can wear this with like darker colors, but these have no rips, but these are so cute. So it's white top. So I have a crop top version of this that I got from Zara, but this is like the longer version, so I can actually tuck this in and wear this with like shorts or jeans or whatever I'm wearing it with. But this is so cute, guys, like so cute. Super excited, like super excited, literally. Nice. I think think the next drink that I'm gonna get, I'll either probably get another another hurricane, or a rhubarb sour. Yeah. We can get shots. I don't know. Yeah. So our drinks have arrived. We got 2 hurricanes. I think they have Ray in them, but yeah, these are so good. Guys, the drink is already getting to us.
Drink has finished. I'm on 1%.
Like, I'm not even a lightweight. What the hell? But I'm gonna keep sipping anyway. The rays that's in it, that's probably why. We literally finished our wings and now just waiting for our ribs. Super excited. Same. The way we love food, fam. Literally. I'm spending whatever on food, please.
Oh my god, taking it in 4K, it looks like it's actually like...
Yes,
you can actually
there. What? You gotta send me that video because I need to hear that. Wow.
I'll send it to you. I'll send it to your iPhone.
Yeah.
For Snapchat, oh wow.
Thank you. Our food has arrived, guys. Look, wait, let me show y'all. Let me show y'all the food. Our ribs.
Looking so good. The mac and cheese is mac and cheesing.
Yes.
Love it.
This food about to be real good. Let's get the bill. Girl, I'm a little bit tipsy. I know you're like drunk on your lips feel like when they're kind of numb. Do you get that feeling? Definitely not getting a hurricane because that's too much.
You will end up on the floor.
With that Ray and nephew. Hi, can I get one more drink? Yes, please. What is sage and pineapple?
Do you like tequila, baby?
Do you know what? I don't mind it, but
It is a bit sour. It is a bit sour, but it's really nice. It's having some lemon.
oh, I like lemon. I like citrus.
Yeah?
Yeah, I think I'll have sage and pineapple.
Sage and pineapple.
Yeah.
That's one of our new ones.
Yeah.
That's
I'll get
nice.
that. Yeah.
And for my beautiful in here, do you want another drink? No?
I'm already so hung on the first one.
Discipline.
Alright, I understand you. Don't worry, that's fine. Alright, my girls, enjoy.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. I will be back in a minute.
You have takeaway bowls.
Yeah.
And I'll get the mac and cheese and takeaway.
Yeah.
So I'll have this is so good.
Honestly, guys, she said this like 100 times, bro. 100 times.
Let me even review this and tell my even though they're just gonna be looking at this.
But that's how you know it was good because your food is empty.
Guys, Joe took me to Lee's kitchen and look at my plate. It's like everything was so amazing. I would give it a 10 out of 10. It was amazing. I'm even getting a takeaway.
My skin done. That is my vlog done. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one.
Girl, are your eyes still green, girl? Is it true that you rule my real world?